Agile as a Monkey, Unleashing the Power of Similes in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, as agile as a monkey. This expression is a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things to highlight a particular quality. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and find out why this simile is used and what it truly means. Before we dive into our specific phrase, let's first understand what a simile is. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words like or as. This comparison helps to create a vivid image in the mind of the listener or reader, making the description more effective and engaging. Similes are widely used in everyday language, poetry, and literature to add color and depth to the descriptions. Now, let's focus on the phrase, as agile as a monkey. The word, agile, refers to the ability to move quickly and easily, with grace and coordination. Monkeys are known for their incredible agility. They can climb trees, swing from branch to branch, and navigate through their environment with remarkable speed and precision. When we say someone is as agile as a monkey, we are comparing their agility to that of a monkey, suggesting they have a similar ability to move or think quickly and effectively. This simile can be used in various contexts. For example, it can describe physical agility, like an athlete moving swiftly in a sports game, or mental agility, like someone coming up with quick solutions to problems. Let's look at a couple of examples. Physical agility. Watching her navigate the obstacle course, you'd think she was as agile as a monkey. Mental agility. He's as agile as a monkey when it comes to solving complex math problems under pressure. These examples show how the simile can be applied to different types of agility, making the description more vivid and relatable. We hope this exploration of the simile, as agile as a monkey, has added a new dimension to your understanding of English language expressions. Similes like this one enrich our language, offering colorful ways to describe people, actions, and thoughts. Remember, the beauty of language learning is in discovering the nuances that make it so vibrant and expressive. Keep exploring, and you'll find that English is full of fascinating phrases waiting to be uncovered. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.